The world's first see-through floating sky pool set to open in May 2021. A London neighbourhood is celebrating the upcoming opening of its incredible new swimming pool, a long, see-through structure suspended in the air between two buildings. This jaw-dropping sky pool is believed to be the very first of its kind. Spanning over 80 feet, the pool is suspended between the 10th stories of two buildings, connecting the otherwise separate structures, at an incredible 114 feet above ground. Made up of transparent materials, swimmers are able to take in the view of the London skyline and their residential neighbourhood from any direction, even looking directly below. Once you swim off, you can look right down. It will be like flying, explained Brian Eckersley, director of Eckersley O'Callaghan, the structural engineering firm that worked on the project. The two newly water-joined buildings are part of the legacy towers of Embassy Gardens, residential skyscrapers located in southwest London. Placed in the centre of some of London's most iconic cultural landmarks, swimmers will have a view of the United States Embassy Building, the London Eye, and Westminster. The U.S. Embassy's recent relocation from Grosvenor Square to Nine Elms revitalised the district's interest in architecture and development, allowing for the kind of modern, out-of-the-box thinking that would result in the world's first floating pool. Embassy Gardens collaborated with Hal Curry, Arup Associates, and Eckersley O'Callaghan to develop plans for this unprecedented project. The pool's specs are impressive. It's 82 feet long and 10 feet deep with sidewalls that are 7 inches thick, and a bottom that's almost 1 foot thick. It weighs 50 tons before water, and the water will add an estimated 375 tons. The steps and filtration systems sit at both ends of the structure, and the pool includes 5 modes of lighting to add to the feeling of magic. The pool was constructed in Colorado, shipped to Texas, and transported to the Netherlands before finally arriving at its final London destination. The pool will officially open on May 19. In order to celebrate its grand opening, British radio and TV host Roman Kemp will host a livestream of the event, featuring a performance from the synchronized swimming team Aquabatics. It will be the first time these water performers have practiced their craft in a floating sky pool. The pool will then become available for use to all of the development's club members. While the pool itself is not open to the public, the structure was designed for both swimmers and spectators. The goal from the very beginning was something transparent so swimmers could see the ground, and people below could see the sky.